Hey guys, welcome back to Annie Home. If you're new, my name is Lillian, and in today's video I'm coming to you guys with this fall vibes. So today's video you guys are going to be shopping and decorating with me. As you can see, I got the fall vibes on the lips. You know, fall is falling on us, so we have to kind of decorate. So a good disclaimer is that I'm not really into like fall colors. I know, but I really don't like colors too much, so I'm gonna like find little things of fall and just put into the house. To be honest with you, to me is more about the vibes. To me, like a lot of throw blankets, a lot of throw pillows, a lot of candles, and lots of hot tea. That's really my fall vibes. So today you guys are gonna be shopping and decorating with me. So let's get into the video. Oh no. But before we get into the video, if you've been looking for a channel that is going to ensure that your true self is being reflected in your decor and lifestyle, well sis, you don't find the right girl. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and let's get into shopping. guys, before we get started, let's start burning some candle. Today I'm burning the DW Home Crisp Apple. This is how it looks. I got it from HomeGoods. Alright guys, we're back from shopping. So the first thing that I did is I'm gonna be using this, what do you call it? This throw blanket. Throw blanket is a student MCGEE blanket. Oh my god, the color is so beautiful. It's like a burnt orange. It's very subtle orange and I like that color. Look at it, it's so nice. So I'm gonna use that. As you can see, my entryway has nothing on it when it comes to like blankets. So this is a good time to like put in this throw blanket from student MCGEE. So let me take some pillows off right here and let's see how we can do this. So this is the entryway. Let me give you guys a better look of that. Okay, so another thing we're gonna do is use this vase filler that I got from Target as well, and this other one. So I'm gonna kind of mix them together. I got this basket from Goodwill. It's really pretty, right? And it was like only $5. So let's create something. So cute. Let's go ahead and take this out and maybe we can put a pumpkin here. Let me see. I'm thinking maybe we can use this heavy. It's like a concrete that I got from HomeGoods. It's really cute. It's not colorful. It's just really muted and I like it. So maybe we can put it here. Let me see how that goes. Another one we could use is this little cute pumpkin. Look at how cute this is. I got it last year, actually 2 years ago from HomeGoods. It was actually $9. And let me see which one looks better. Oh, this is so cute. I think I'm gonna leave this one here. And let's go put this one back in the living room. We're gonna, okay. So I'll put this one right back here. So another cute stuff we can do is use this little cute vase and put in some of this beautiful flowers that I got from Target as well. Don't you guys just love the color? So cute. So I'm gonna see how it looks before I remove the tag. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. Okay. So what I can do is retire this. I can actually keep this somewhere, hide it somewhere in the house. So don't be alarmed by the yellow vase that's here. I plan on changing this vase to a different color and kind of making it look, I'm kind of giving like a Restoration Hardware vibe. I see potential in this, so I haven't actually gotten the paint yet, so I haven't started on this project. But what I'm thinking is that, you know, browns are in right now for the fall. So I'm thinking maybe this beautiful blanket. It's so cute. So I usually have it upstairs, but my kids honestly be destroying it. Oh child, y'all see that? So many things on this stuff. So I'm thinking maybe I can put it here. Oh, by the way, I'm still deciding whether I'm gonna keep this chair or not. I like the chair, but I feel like it doesn't flow with my home decor. Let me know, what do you guys think? Does the chair work? So anyways, I'm gonna just put this blanket here because it's so cozy. And yeah, little bits of throws, little flower. So I got this grass from Target. I really like the color. It's really beautiful brown, and it would be really great for fall. But the only problem is that I don't have enough, and this was the only ones they had. So I'm thinking I'm gonna check Kirkland and see if they have more. And if they do, then I can put it in a vase somewhere. But yeah, and so once I do that and get this in a vase, then I'm gonna do a fall home tour. I've never actually do a home tour. I actually haven't done a home tour, so I'm gonna do a fall home tour, so look out for that. But that is the end of the video. So it wasn't that much, you guys, but that's honestly how I am, and I'm being realistic. I don't really go too crazy when it comes to fall. I just make my home cozy, burn some candles, throw blankets, pillows, and that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you for taking out your time for watching the video. I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be a home tour, a cozy home tour. Okay, look out for that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.